Welcome to my vlog! Ayan, magluluto ako ng rice. So, I will cook rice, guys. Rice is life. Wait lang. So, ayan. I will cook 2 cups for me and for my dogs. Rice is life. Ayan, guys. Mahina talaga yung ano ko, guys. Mahina yung tubig. Mahina ang tubig ko. But anyway, it's fine. It's fine. Magluluto ako ng rice kasi gutom na ako. Time check, it is around 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Yeah. So, kailangan ko lang magluto. Ito tayo ng rice, guys. Oh. She shouldn't die. 2 cups only, guys. The same.